In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove someone from a Milanote board, which is useful if you are done collaborating or need to manage access to your boards. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and open the board where the person you want to remove currently has access. Now, on the top right corner of the board, click on the Share button. This opens the Share panel where you can see everyone who has access to the board. Okay, so current editors is, of course, myself and the other editor, which is my collaborator. Now, all I have to do is super simple. To remove their access, next to their name, click the Access dropdown right here and click the Remove this user from this board. It's super simple. And if you are sure about it, click the Yes button. Once selected, that change is saved automatically and the person, as you can see, will no longer have access to the board and he has been removed entirely. Alright? Now, if you're not the owner, you'll need to ask the board owner to remove the person for you. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to remove someone from Milanote. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.